Good morning. I'm gonna give you a quick review on Office Depot, ordering business cards off Office Depot. Like the other day, I ordered some business cards. If you order before 2 o'clock, you could pick them up the same day by 7 o'clock. But I ordered mine at maybe close to 4 o'clock, and they were ready in the next couple of hours. They was ready right at 6 or 6:30. They sent me an email. But I'm gonna show you what mine's look like that I ordered online, and they feel pretty good for $20 for 200. I think that's a great deal. And you can get these on Office Depot. And I made a video on how to do it. You can look at the top right in a drop down, or you could just click on this video at the end of the screen. It's an end screen video that's gonna pop up on the left bottom. But I'm gonna show you what these cards look like. Okay, this is the box they came in. I went and picked them up. It was about maybe 5-10 minutes from my house. And this is what my business cards look like. My wife, she want to redesign them for me. She said I need to bring the spacing and different. But this is the card itself right here. As you can see, I'm gonna zoom in. Has all my information. And also, I got that QR code there on the left, that QR code. So you can put your phone up to it, or if you're looking at this from a computer, just turn your camera on and it'll pick up that QR code and take you straight to my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. So this is what the card looks like. I'm gonna try to get that glare off of it. And this is $20 for 200 cards, and that's pretty good. All right, so if you want some cheap cards fast, if you need them the next day, same day, go on at Office Depot website. As soon as you log on, click on service, and then you go to the right, you'll see something say business cards, and it'll walk you through the process of how to pay for it. It tells you, make sure you pick the same day order. So go make sure you do the same day. If you don't do the same day, it'll take maybe 3 or 4 business days to get your business cards. All right, thanks for watching, and have a great day.